Hey guys, what's happening? How to enable 5G on iPhone for fast internet. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the settings and make sure that you use a powerful device, right? So if you're using an older version of iPhone, you're gonna go ahead to the Wi-Fi and make sure to find a nearby 5G network, right? In order to get the best experience. Secondly, you can go ahead, if you are using cellular data, go to the cellular data, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just find the settings. Let me try to pin down the settings, right? You gotta go ahead to the cellular plans, I believe, right? Data, you can find right here, call time, cellular usage statistics, or you can find it right here, cellular data option, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the voice in data. And as you can see, I only have 4G on my iPhone, right? Because I use an older version, right? But if you are using iPhone 15, 16, something like that, you're gonna be able to see the option to set your voice in data on 5G, right? That will help you get the better experience browsing your, apps and experience the basically the powerful or the good the powerful connection. Now turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.